Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today, in the month of September, I'm opening all my August boxes and 1 July. I am that far behind. Maybe it's 2 July. I don't know, I'll figure it out. I've got a box that I don't know what month it's from. I'm hoping it will tell me. Ooh, that's not today. Today I'm doing BoxyChar, my base box. This is definitely from August. So far, except for the one box that I'm pretty sure I'm still waiting on, it was the last one to arrive. For some reason, I'm getting the Boxy Premium, like, on time, like, pretty early, and then this one comes, like, at the end of the month. This one's definitely the last one because when I was trying to store it, it ended up in an entirely different spot, and I just didn't have space anymore. I'm doing great so far. But BoxyChar is $25 a month and comes with 5 full-size products. I don't know what this month's theme is. Let me open the box and dig in. Now, recently BoxyChar has kind of been letting me down, and I'm waiting until next month, which is September, to get their second Boxy Luxe to decide if I actually want to continue with it or just like drop down to only one of them. Because last time I got the Boxy Luxe, it was an ordeal to get everything, like, just to get everything to me first off, and then to actually get them in one piece, which never ended up happening. And they sent me 2 Tarte palettes that I wanted that were broken. So that's how I'm feeling on BoxyChar right now. I've got this one in my premium over there to open later too, so we'll see. We'll get into it and see. Okay, so our BoxyChar card here, it's got some s'mores on it. Oh, something I could really go for right now. I could really go for some s'mores. Oh. I know a lot of people are camping right now, but that is so not my thing. I need to figure out how to make s'mores in my kitchen. It's probably not a great idea, but boy do I want s'mores. Why don't I know anyone with a fire pit? Well, even if I did. Whatever. After that derailment. So it looks like, I think it's glamping is this month, which means essentially glam camping, for those who don't know the word glamping. So I guess stuff for camping, but being pretty? I don't know what the point of that one is. I'm not figuring that one out, but whatever. Let's get into it. The first thing that's right on top is from my favorite brand, Morphe. If you've watched my previous month video, I'm actually wearing the Morphe products on my eyes today. Not my highlight. I used the other highlight palette that I got, and the blush, but my eyes have the Manny MUA X Morphe palette. But now I've got some Morphe brushes, what they were originally known for, so I'll give them that. It's a 4-piece eye brush collection. Looks like it's got a blending brush here, an eyeliner brush, and then these two over here have black, so I can't see them as well. Oh, so it's got an oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending crease brush, a tapered mini blender, and an angled line brush. Again, I like brushes. I can always use them. Let's get into them. Maybe at least one. Okay, I just saw what's in here, and you'll see when I get here. You know me, IRL, come hit me up for some lip crayons. I know I just bought one from Ipsy, but that might have been a mistake. Okay, we're talking about Morphe brushes right now. Okay, here is the, oh, interesting. Okay, so it's got kind of a tapered handle here. It's wider here than here. Okay, this must be the mini tapered brush. Okay, not bad. Yeah, I'm cool with that. I will definitely use these Morphe brushes. I mean, why wouldn't I? Brushes are something I like. Okay, next thing in here is, I thought this was eyeliner for a second. I don't know why. It's obviously not an eyeliner pencil. Probably because it's got eyes on it. It's called Thank Me Later, and it is from Elizabeth Mott. But what it is, actually, is, it's cute. It's eyeshadow primer, which is something that I am definitely on board for. I only have one right now, which is the CoverGirl Lid Lockup. Okay, so this, I'll show you on the back, well, if you can see it. So it's pink here, It does rub out to being like clear, which is good, but does that smell? It has a very light smell, I think, or it could just be the box. I'm not entirely sure, but like I said, I am all for more eyeshadow primer because I only have the one, and I love to try. Well, that's not true. I have the NYX glitter glue, but that's primer for a specific reason. Whatever. But yeah, so this looks good. Okay, so far we're doing good. We've actually got a set of eye brushes and an eye primer. I see you two things down there. I'm gonna leave you for now. It's just, there's this thing, you'll see when I get to it and understand my dilemma and my confusion. Okay, so next up is the item that I myself picked out, which is from Glam Glow, and it is a Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. So it's in this really cute packaging. So it's actually clear here with the green on the inside. It's got that star on top. If you've watched my Ipsy, I don't know what order they're going up in, but Ipsy has a Glam Glow product, and again with the star on the top. Just must be their thing. Ooh, excellent. Plastic on the top. That's good, because I'm using a different moisturizer right now. And cycling through is hard. Ooh. Okay, so the inside of it is this kind of light green color. If you can see that on camera. Ooh. It is a little on the liquidy side. But it doesn't really have any smell. I'm gonna pull some off of the plastic lid. Put it on the back of my hand. Yeah, no, like nothing whatsoever. Feels nice though. Ooh, nice and it's that kind of creamy without being overly creamy, but yeah, I'm happy with this. Glam Glow is a brand I've been wanting to try from, and I don't think I have anything from them. So this will be the first thing, plus that other product from Ipsy. But yeah. Okay, so it's got like the hint. It's a hint of scent, but like not bad. I can't even tell you like how to place it. It's very good. Okay, so we're down to our last two things. And friends, it's both from Clinique. Look at this. So this is 6 mini matte crayon lip colors. And this is a Summer Glow and Go mini summer essentials kit with an highlight, a blush, what is this? Mini shadow, and a brow pencil. Look at all these tiny crayons that I am now the proud owner of. Yes. Oh my gosh. So basically it looks like some of this, the idea of it is to go somewhere. Stuff you can take on the go. So maybe that's what they're saying with their glamping. Their stuff is stuff you can take on the go. Though this is not super good with that, but like an eyeshadow primer, small, eye brushes, small, tiny set of little crayons, and more crayons. So, okay, so on the back here, it's got all the colors. I'll read them to you. This very light one here is called Nantucket Nude. It's just a nude shade. Florence Fig. It's a little bit rosy. Barcelona Bright Berry here. It's a bright berry color, not deep, like a light berry. Chili Red, or perhaps Chile. Since these are all names, I'll go with Chile. This one is Belize Bordeaux, which is wine colored. Oh, that's really fun. And then Tuscan Wine. So there's actually 2 wine ones. There's a Bordeaux and just regular wine, and this one is a deep red. So I'm going to pull out, I think, this berry color and the wine and test them on the back of my hand. I'd feel weird doing all of them because I really want to give them away to some people. So as Clinique, I've had something from them before, a concealer in the wrong color. They come in these little things that look like pencils already. Like they are pencils, but, well, they're crayons. So it's got this like domed crayon. This is my berry color, the Barcelona Bright Berry. We'll put that there. And then this one is the Tuscan Wine. And I'll stick that there. Pardon the back of my hand has also gotten scratches on it from, these are partially from a cat and partly from just this. So the top one there is the wine color, and then the bottom one is the berry. They're very nice. They're like really light, creamy. They do rub when I like brush them, but not too bad, honestly. They're great. I just don't know, like, why Boxy's like, yeah, that's what you need. You need like a whole set of pencil crayons, as if we haven't given you lip stuff previously. Whatever. Okay. So it's fun. The next one is what I'm more interested in, which is the Summer Glow and Go kit. So I'm going to swatch all of these. So this one is the highlighter. Again, okay, so let's compare the sizes. So here's the highlight and here's the lip crayon. So you can see that there is definitely a size difference. This is much thicker, which would make sense. A highlight, okay. I don't use cream highlight all that much, but yeah, we still got the dome there. This one, so let me read the colors of these. This one is in the color Maldives Luminescent. So we'll go here. Ooh. Okay, so, oh, look at that. You can get the light there. That's pretty. Oh man, I just immediately got it. Okay, so this is the blush stick in Moroccan Rose. Okay, okay. I also don't use cream blushes all that much, and I'm not... Swatching out on the back of my hand's not the best idea. Unfortunately, it's picked up. It's in my hair, and so it doesn't swatch quite right. Okay, so also here, I'm going to show you. So the blush here, and then this is the eyeshadow. So you can see it's smaller as well. Swatch the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is actually broken. So my eyeshadow was actually came essentially attached to the top here and not the bottom, but I think I've got it so it'll work. Ooh, that is very creamy. The eyeshadow is in the color, the eyeshadow is in the color Tahitian Shimmer, and this is the brow product in Americano, so it's actually got the like little triangular thing there for brows, which is good. Oh, that's hard. Oh, that's not super fun to swatch there. It's kind of painful. I'm gonna need to work with that one, I think. That was like really painful to use. Okay, so here are my colors. So the bottom one, which you can kind of see the shadow of, that's the highlight and the Maldives Luminescent. Then we've got our, oh my gosh, sorry guys. Then we've got our blush in Moroccan Rose, the shadow, which I had to put back together in Tahitian Shimmer, and the brow pencil in Americano. It's like one of those universal taupes is what that Americano color is, which is fine, and it works for me. It's just one of those, they're like, oh, it works for everyone, but it doesn't. It can't possibly. So it's interesting. I kind of like the idea of everything being so travel size and ready to go, but at the same time, BoxyChar just sent me a lot of product all at once. And if you're expecting someone to like want to keep like purchasing from you, that's a lot. Like there's the whole face of makeup here basically, except for foundation. So I've got a moisturizer, brushes to put like eyeshadow on with, but then it's a crayon anyway, eyeshadow primer, and then lips, cheeks, highlight, and brows. I guess it doesn't have bronzer, but whatever. So yeah, that's interesting. I'm definitely gonna get some use, I think, out of that highlight. It's really nice. And the blush is interesting as well. The shadow, it's fine. It's not, I'm not a huge fan of those. And then that brow pencil was painful. Like that was not fun. It was scraping my hand, and my hand's got a lot less sensitive skin than my face. So, you know, that's a thing. Now, the lip crayons, I like them. If you've seen Ipsy, I purchased myself a lip crayon as like an add-on because I wanted a lip crayon, and then what did BoxyChar do but send me a bunch of them? So, the way that works. But with that, I have all 5 of my products here in front of me, so let's get into the prices. Let me find my calculator before that. So we have it. Okay. Okay, so our glamping here, we have our first thing on here is the Glam Glow product, which is $54. Not surprising to me because it is Glam Glow and they are expensive. The next thing is actually our Summer and Glow set, which is $42. Man, that's a lot for a lot of like small crayons. The next thing on here is our Triseek Color for Every Mood at $58, which that's, what is that? $6? No, not $6. $8 a crayon? Yeah, that's like $8 a crayon. That's a lot. Ugh. And then, just to balance that one out, we've got our Morphe brushes that's $12. Something a completely, like, reasonable amount. Sorry, I'm looking down to put it on in my calculator. Man. Yeah, so the brushes are like a completely reasonable price. 12 bucks, 4 brushes. Not expensive whatsoever. And then the last thing is our eyeshadow primer from Elizabeth Mott, which is the Thank Me Later eye primer, and that one is $20, which is kind of a lot for primer, but like I'm not going to complain too much on that one. Okay, so with that, the 5 products added together, which I guess is technically way more than 5 given the number of crayons and brushes I have, it is $186. Which, I guess, yeah, that's what you get when you have like 2 items over $50 and one that is almost $50 itself. So, yeah, I'm excited, like I said, for the moisturizer. I picked it myself. More eye brushes, eye primer, and I'm interested in these. I'll have to test them out. This might be a good, like, just playing around at home kind of day to test them because, like I said, cream products are not my strong suit. And then, yeah, all those crayons. But that's it. So thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. Since you've made it here, if you could like my video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications in case you want to see every video that I watch right when it comes out. Not every video I watch, but every video I film. You probably got that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!